Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a 16 by 20. I have some pretty flashy colors here, yellow and orange, and some reds and corals that I had pre-mixed for a flower. This is a gold metallic, yellow ochre, black. I have some crimson red, Van Dyke brown, and some copper. So I'm just going to do, I'm going to mix 4 cups, but I probably only need 3, and I'll save 1 for a musical flip cup. So I think I'm going to need some white too. And this white will have silicone in it. Okay. Just pop tops on these. I haven't used them yet, so they're fresh. Fresh. So I got smart and I cut the tips off my bottles a little farther and put roofing nails in them to plug them up. It works great. Alright, so I'm going to spray my cups first with WD-40 silicone spray, and that is the black can. And I'm going to use it just to coat the cup. I'm not going to rub it in. Stuff is stinky. Schmedgy. Okay. I'm going to start with black. Let's save that because I know I'm going to need a little more. Alright, let's follow that with copper. And then I'm going to add the yellow ochre. And I'm going to follow that with yellow. The last canvas I'm going to do with this cup is going to be a 12 by 12, so I didn't want a ton of yellow in that last cup. And I love to use them up. Okay. Now, I think I'll start introducing the reds. So I'm going to start with the crimson red. And follow that with, let's do coral. Coral, I don't know if you guys watch Walking Dead, but that was sad. Coral's gone. Alright, and this one is a mix of a few different colors that I put together. I think it was like a bright red and a peach, and I'm like that. I like to mix them up when I'm doing dirty pours with their leftovers. I don't have much of this, so I'm going to get a drop. I'm not fond of red, unless it's by itself with other shades of red. And there goes my orange. I don't think it's vermilion. I think it's just a craft paint orange. Alright, now throw some gold in there. This gold's a little bit on the thin side. Let me see what my other gold feels like. That's better. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that with the black again. Just a little bit. I like to put lots of different colors in them to see what shows up and what gets washed away, or what takes over. Sometimes it's amazing the color that takes over when you use very little of it and it's there like a sore thumb. So I'm going to go ahead and put some copper again. And some more of the crimson red. And then the Van Dyke brown. And might as well use this up. And then for my last add will be white. I'm shoving it down into the paint. Okay, get these out of the way. I'm disappointed in that gold. Oops. Sorry, guys. I stretched too far. Gosh, the cup's even pretty. Looks peacocky. I'm just going to give them a swirl. Put them here. I shouldn't have stirred that one because that was going to be a flip cup. That's okay. Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'll start with this one with the more black on top. There's my white. Oh, that crimson red is beautiful. I just love that color. That yellow green and the copper. I got some new colors from Soho and I'm digging them. They're really pretty. I might use 4 cups on this one. Let's see what happens with this one. No, maybe not. I love this band like this when I do a pour. It's like a big old ribbon. Okay, let's move it around a little bit. See what we got. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this corner while I'm right here. There's a lot trying to come up through that black. Not much white in here for as much white as I squirted in that cup. It's probably already at the bottom. And I think I'm going to leave it just like that. because this is going to change. Oops. I'm good at knocking stuff over. Let me give it a torch and see what happens. Oh, I want to show you this cup is like, pour me, pour me. Tons of cells on top. Popping lots of air bubbles. Last time I did a painting similar to this, it changed so much as it dried. So I'm kind of hoping this is going to do the same thing. The metallics will set on top after you pour them sometimes. They're either going to be on top or on the bottom and you're not going to see them, but they will sink. And some. It all depends what color paint is next to it. Some of them they grab onto and stay with that color. So I'm hoping this big band of black right here let some cells come through and get some lacing. But yeah, that's pretty. I like it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. And join me on my Facebook page at Christina Welch Art. And there you'll get to see the dried paintings. I occasionally show them before a video. It all depends where they're at in my studio here. I don't like to pull too much stuff out. But if there's something that you definitely want to see, just send me a message. I'll be more than happy to post it. But with that being said, thanks guys, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.